Children can unleash their creativity by making their own nature paintbrushes. First, gather some sticks and colorful leaves, flowers, or even pine needles from outside. Next, tie your flower or leaf onto one end of the stick using string or twine, securing it in place. Now, dip your cool new brush in paint and let your imagination run wild. You can create beautiful works of art by dabbing, sweeping, or swirling your nature paintbrush on the paper. Remember, every brush is unique, just like you, so have fun exploring different shapes and colors as you paint.